Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily find out if your computer is ready for Windows 11 operating system or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Why Not Win 11, and firstly you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here Why Not Win 11.exe, Why Not Win 11.zip, or Why Not Win 11 into 86.exe. So you can download any one of this file. So I'm gonna download the Why Not 11.exe. So firstly you download it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. So now it's saying that your computer is already on Windows 11. So right now my computer is already running our Windows 11 operating system. So it's saying like that. So would you like to check future update compatibility instead? So I'll just click on yes. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see a message popping up. Your computer is not ready for Windows 11. You can join the Discord using the Discord icon if you need assistance. So right now you can see here it's about showing the update compatibility. So you can check the details, what are those not supported. So you can see here with the red cross marking, as you can see, not supported. CPU frequency, so the minimum requirements may be more than this. DirectX 12 is required. So you can see here different, and TPM portion is disabled or not detected right now, and the green color indications are those supported. Everything you can see here, but don't worry, if you see this kind of informations here, still you can install the Windows 11 by completely formatting your hard drive and installing it as a fresh operating system. So by using this application named as Why Not Win 11, you can easily find out if your computer is ready for Windows 11 operating system or not very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.